Hi, this is Ibrahim. Listen for a moment. If you want to become a good English speaker, one of the best habit you can develop that is describing any kind of object around you. It could be anything, a beautiful land of crops, trees, a beautiful sky, anything you can describe to know many English words, vocabularies, and English phrases. That will also help you to make new sentences. So try to describe. Today I'd like to show you how I describe an object to improve my English speaking. So I have taken a flower from my house. I know many of us know this flower. It is gardenia. You can notice white creamy petals. And one of the best quality of this flower, I think, it's fragrance. People attract. That's reason I plant this flower in front of my house. So when I step outside or being inside of my house, I can enjoy its fragrance. Amazing, refreshing, appealing. So I can say that this flower, gardenia especially, refresh our round. And I would like to also say that a gardenia flower can increase the beauty of a nature. So I'd like to say that try to say something what you knows about this kind of object, and when you'll try to say something about this kind of object, you'll notice that you're stuck somewhere. You don't know how to describe a flower. Then you can take a picture of this flower, upload on Gemini or ChatGPT or any kind of artificial intelligence. So you can say to him or her, I can say that, hello Gemini, could you please describe this flower? I'd like to know in details about this flower. You can notice that Gemini is describing this flower, or it could be ChatGPT. So like this way you will find new English words, vocabularies. So don't be, I can say that don't be sad when you don't know something. Suppose you know that it will how it could be helpful, because someone can ask you that, uh, what's your favorite flower? You have answered my favorite flower is gardenia. Then next question he will say, could you please say something about gardenia? I don't know what is the quality, what is the, I mean, quality of gardenia flower, and I don't know anything about gardenia. Could you please introduce me? That time you have to say that gardenia is a flower. It is white and creamy. It has beautiful fragrance. Basically, in summer and rainy season, it blooms on the tree. So, like this way, you have to say to your partner so that he can know about this flower. So, try your best. Don't give up, don't stop speaking. You know that at the first time people will laugh at you, people will try to stop you, that so that you don't learn English, and they will say that, are you mad, why you are making videos, why are you doing that? So don't stop. If you want to be a good English speaker, you have to come far away from your house. You have to say something about some object, and you have to do many things to be a good English speaker. I always say that. So keep going. May Allah help you.